Here is how to delete Badoo account on Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can delete your Badoo account on an Android phone. So let's start. First of all, open the Badoo app and log into your account. After you log into your Badoo account, you'll come to this screen like this. Now in order to delete your account, go to the profile that you can see on the bottom right hand side. Then after, tap on the settings icon that you can see on the top. After that, tap on account. Now at the bottom of the screen, you will find this delete account option. Tap on it. Then after, it will show you the various alternatives that you can do instead of deleting your account. For example, you can hide your account, clear messages, sign out and other things. However, since we are going to delete our account, tap on delete your account and then continue. It will also ask you to specify the reason why you are deleting your account. So select any reason that you want. For example, I'll select I found someone elsewhere. Then after, tap on delete account. As you tap on delete account, your Badoo account will be permanently deleted. So in this way, you can delete your Badoo account on Android. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.